Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna talk about the Makeup Forever Professional Shine Control Step 1 Primer. Okay, I don't wanna spoil anything, so what we're gonna do is we're going to talk about this. We're gonna read the claims, see how much it is. We're gonna swatch it on the back of my hand. I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna apply it to the face, and then I'm gonna put it, and then I'm gonna talk about my thoughts on it. I've been trying this out for a few weeks now. And I have some major thoughts on this. So let's just go ahead and dive right in to see what's going on with this. Okay, so this is $37 at Sephora for the full one. I got the mini one because I just wanted to try it out. Let's see how much the mini one's $17. So this is not a cheap product. Let's see about the product. A mattifying makeup primer that absorbs oil to control shine, delivers a blurred, velvety skin finish, and extends makeup wear. Finish natural. Skin type, normal, oily, and combination. Concerns oil. Highlighted ingredients. Ginseng, known to protect, promote radiant looking skin, and maintain a smooth complexion. What else you need to know? Achieve a blurred matte complexion for up to 20 hours with Step 1 Primer Shine Control. This comfortable formula is made with mineral clay powder, absorbs oil, controls shine while extending the wear of makeup. Love it, yes. How to use. For best results, apply over makeup only in oily areas like the T-zone. Warm a rice-size amount between fingertips and gently press into the skin. Layer under color correcting formulas as needed. Okay, that's it. Now I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. So we're gonna put a little bit on the back of our hand so you can see what it looks like if I can get it open. So this is what it looks like. It is colorless, so you're not gonna get that white cast. As you can see, we're gonna rub it in like it's just completely clear on the back of my hand here. So yeah, I mean, completely clear. So I'm excited. Let's just go ahead and put it on the face. I think I'm ruining the surprise. We're just gonna do a little bit. Actually, I like quite a bit. Okay, and we're just gonna go ahead and rub this into the skin. Now you do kind of have to work fast. It does dry down pretty quickly. It smells a little bit like Play-Doh. It's not a bad scent. I mean, it's kind of fresh, but like definitely Play-Doh-y scent. So I don't really know what that means, what ingredients are in it to make it smell like that. See, now it's starting to get like tacky already, and it's only been a few seconds of me applying it to the skin. So it is a little bit tacky. So if you were to put foundation over this, I think it would stick very well. I think I did try it with foundation. I don't know if it was my favorite with foundation. I think I tried it with the Ease Drops. I don't remember which one I tried with. I don't remember it being my favorite with the tinted moisturizers that I've been using. But, okay, can you see this? It controls your oils all day long, but it makes you look like just velvety and just like, oh, this is the best primer, hands down, that I have ever tried to keep me matte. It doesn't dry out the skin. I don't get flaky and patchy. Like it doesn't really moisturize the skin, but it doesn't like suck the life out of your skin. Like your skin still like looks kind of dewy. And we all know that I'm oily and dry, so I have dry patches, but I have oily skin. Throughout the day, it keeps the oils at bay, but you still look like fresh and blurred. This is a 10 out of 10. I love this stuff, and I'm going to be repurchasing it again and again and again and again until I find something even better than this. But this is the best primer that I've ever tried in my entire life. Like, just look at it. Look at it. So good. It's so good. I love it. I love it. So this is definitely a 10 out of 10 for me. I would definitely recommend this. I know this is a quick review, but I don't have anything bad to say about this. Like, this is a good one. It's awesome. So anyway, if you like this review, hit that subscribe button so you can check out the rest of my reviews. And if you need any help in Colorado with real estate, I'm a full-time real estate agent. All of my information is down below. I would love to help you out. Thank you so much for joining me on this one, and I will check you on the next one. Bye.